Guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, this is another important video that I think it's important that you follow through to the end. All right, based on the current market situation that we are actually facing currently. All right, before I get into the video, I just want to appreciate everyone that has been, liking my videos and commenting on the comment section and even subscribing and following me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for doing that. And this is another one, guys. Kindly see like the video and drop your comment on the comment section and follow me right in this channel. Trust me, you're going to learn a whole lot about cryptocurrency. I'm out here to actually bring you everything you need about cryptocurrency for you to actually do well in this space. So kindly follow the channel. If you're watching from TikTok or if you're watching from YouTube, kindly subscribe to the channel so that whenever I drop important updates like this, we can always have access to them. All right, that being said, let's get back to the video. All right, I've seen a lot of influencers actually telling their followers to sell their bucks, and I'm like, what is going on? This is the month of October, and it was predicted that this month is going to be bullish. And as usual, October is usually bullish. When we are approaching Bullrun, October is usually bullish. And September is always a bloodbath month. Then October is usually bullish. And this month is actually very different. This month is very, very different. That's why I see a lot of influencers telling their followers to sell their bags. And this Bullrun is over. Nothing like Bullrun again. You can sell your bags. I'm just imagining. Just imagine telling your followers to sell their bags now. In my portfolio, I think I'm down by if not 50, 60%. 60%, 60 whooping percent. And they are telling me now to sell my bags. And people that don't know anything about cryptocurrency, they are selling their bags. They are selling their bags. And it just mind blowing. It's just mind blowing. See, there's one thing I want you to take note of. Please take note of this. In this market, there's a lot of games. Especially when Bullrun is approaching. There's a lot of games. They want to play you out of the market. And if you don't know, you fall a victim. You fall a victim. A lot of people are selling their bags. If you watch my previous videos that I actually did in one of those videos, you saw when USDT, all right, USDT and USDC, which is the stable coin, is actually spiking up, going up, and other coins are down. What does it tell you? It means that people are selling their positions. And once they sell it, they convert it to USDT. That's why you see USDT keeps going up. Other coins are down. Right? Other coins are down. USDT is going up. Because people are selling their position. Say there's one thing that usually happens in this bull. If you have been following, all right, people always come back to regret and cry. Because just imagine the coin that you have held since, right? You have held this coin since. And all of a sudden, the market went down. And someone somewhere that doesn't understand what Bullrun is all about, how Bullrun actually runs, right? Because those people that are telling you and say your bags, assume that they know the science of Bullrun. I think I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to do a video on that. The science of Bullrun. I actually did a video on that on this channel, but I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do another one, right? The science of Bullrun. If you really understand, you will hold your bag very tight. You wouldn't want to sell now. You wouldn't want to sell. Just imagine me selling my coins now when I'm down by 60%. Does that make sense? And after then, you now see that the coin is, that coin that you have that you sold is not doing is not doing 10, 20, 30x, 40x. How would you feel? How are you going to feel? Guys, you feel very bad. You feel extremely bad, right? You feel very bad. So those people that are telling you that Bullrun is over, you should sell your bags and just try and secure the small one that you have so that you will not lose everything, say about those things. They don't know. They don't understand how Bullrun works. Like I said earlier, once it comes to this particular time, there's always market manipulations. Yes, I understand the fact that the month of October is always bullish. If you check the previous bull runs, October is always bullish, right? But this one is different. When I saw that this one is different, all of them they are now asking you to sell your bags. Please hold your bag very tight. Hold your bag very tight. I always say this that this bull run is going to be one of the biggest that you've ever seen. Based on the parameters in the market, based on the analysis and everything, it's going to be one of the biggest. So if you have seen all these manipulations, the rest of them, please don't panic. Hold your bag tight. And better still, don't keep going to your wallet. It's almost 2 weeks now. I've not opened my wallet. I'm serious. Almost 2 weeks now. I've not opened my wallet. Why am I doing that? Because of the fact that I don't want to start feeling somehow. Because just imagine you bring down by 60%, or even more than that. It's actually somehow is mind blowing. So for me to just keep myself, because I know that the brand will still come. For me to just make sure that I don't feel somehow, I don't know, from opening my wallet, I don't open it. So you can do the same thing just to protect yourself, right? You know, in this space, there's something that's so rewarding. If you must survive in crypto space, you need to know how to be patient, even in the midst of storm. Yes, in crypto space, you always see this storm, right? Where you see your portfolio, you know, goes to where you didn't even expect. Where you see your portfolio drops to a point whereby you're like, what is going on? You always see this thing happening. And ability for you to control your emotions and be patient with your portfolio is what pays. Else, you cannot survive in this space. Take that from me. You cannot survive in this space, right? A lot of people have lost money. A lot of people have lost money because of the fact that they did not understand these things. They just think that crypto is scam, right? They think, okay, they heard that, oh, if you enter crypto, if you start cryptocurrency, you make money. They thought once you put money, it will just go up, keep going up. It's not like that. There's always a retracement for it to go up again, right? So if you understand all these things, then you not panic, no matter what is going on in your wallet, no matter what is going on in your portfolio, right? So I want to leave you with this, okay? My boss always say that the market always reward those who are patient, right? And are willing to learn handsomely, right? So what I want to tell you is this: be patient with yourself in crypto space. Be patient with your portfolio and be ready to learn. Be ready to learn, right? If you are ready to learn, then the market will always reward you. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Okay? Alright, if you're watching this point, kindly like this video, alright? As you have always done. Like this video and comment in the comment section. And also follow this channel, right? We have so much for you. We have so much in stock. Trust me, right? As time goes on, you will learn a whole lot in this space through this particular channel, right? So kindly like this video and follow me. If you're watching from TikTok, if you're watching from YouTube, do what to also subscribe, right? And thanks in advance for doing that. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.